You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly in English. And yes, there are two different correct pronunciations, by the way. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Two different ways in English. Lilia, with a stress on the first syllable, li-li-a. Now, some may say it as Lilia, which is also fine, depending on the accent, the origin. The second way is as Lilia. Lilia. How do you pronounce it yourself? Lilia, stress on the first syllable, or Lilia on the second? Let us know in the comments. Where are you from? Upvote. Also, whoever pronounces it the way you prefer or the way you do, and let us know in the comments so we can learn which pronunciation is the most common, Lilia or Lilia. Both are correct though, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.